Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Weekends are all about relaxing and treating yourself to a little something sweet. Well, this recipe is perfect for those days. It's super simple to make, uses ingredients you will likely already have in your kitchen, and the taste is absolutely next level. Plus, it looks fancy too. So, let's see how to make this Sooji caramel pudding. First, we will prepare the caramel layers. So we will take 1/4 cup of water in a pan and add half cup of sugar to it. Once the sugar starts to heat up, it will slowly start to change color. And once the sugar is completely caramelized, we will transfer this into a cake tin and tilt it to spread the caramel evenly at the bottom. And we will let this cool and set completely. Into a small bowl, we will take 2 tablespoons of custard powder. To this, we will add 1/4 cup of milk and mix well without any lumps. Next, into a pan, we will add 2 cups of milk. To this, we will add half cup of sugar. We will heat this in a medium flame. When it starts to boil, we will add 1/4 cup of suji and mix nicely so that there are no lumps. Next to this, we will add the dissolved custard powder mixture. We will stir continuously and cook this mixture on a medium flame until it thickens. So once we get this kind of smooth creamy consistency, we can switch off the flame. Next, we will pour this custard suji mixture to our cake tin, and we will cover this with an aluminium foil. Now we will steam this pudding in a steamer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will remove this from the steamer and we will let this cool completely to the room temperature. After cooling, we need to refrigerate this pudding for about 2 to 3 hours to set completely. Now this is after refrigeration. We will now gently loosen the edges of the pudding with a knife. Now we will carefully flip the tin upside down, giving it a gentle tap. When we are slicing this pudding, you can see how perfectly it has set. It's a dessert that not only looks stunning but also melts in your mouth with every bite. So do give this recipe a try and write me in the comments below how you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.